Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will be doing a demonstration on how to crochet the moss stitch in rectangle. I had a subscriber message me asking me, so here you go. So the yarn that I have pulled up from my stash, as you know, I'm trying to use up my stash. It is Red Heart Soft. Unfortunately, the label just fell off, so just wanted to show you. So it's a Red Heart Soft, and it's a giant ball of yarn. It's a 4 medium size yarn, and the crochet hook, this is what it's suggesting. I am going to be using a bigger crochet hook just to start up, and then I will change it later. And let me see, it's I'm going to be starting a baby blanket, so I just wanted to start with the cream and then change it to gray. And then if you want to see more pictures, go on to my Instagram under Angora Balera. If you go on to my About section, I have all my links there. You can check the pictures that I usually post there, the projects that I start. If I finish it, I post it there. Or if it's ongoing, I will keep on taking pictures, and I will post it either on my Instagram or on my my fan Facebook. So all my links are in my About section. If you click on the About on the YouTube, you will see all my links. And it's 10 ounces, 283 gram of yarn. So let's get started. To start out, I'm going to chain total of 30 chain. Just a regular chain. I'm not going to do anything fancy. Just a regular, and I'm going to try to chain it as tight, as loose as I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let me just move this so you won't get distracted. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, this is 6 millimeter crochet hook. So I'm going to move to my 4.5 crochet hook. I feel comfortable using this to start. Okay, so, and I will go back to the 6 later on, just for this row. Okay, so from the 4th, so 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to do a single crochet, just like this. So, this 4 chain that we skipped is going to be one corner of the rectangle, so we need to make 3 more corners, just to let you know. So I'm going to skip one and go to the next one and make a single crochet. I'm trying to make it loose as I can. Chain 1, skip 1, go to the next, chain 1, go to the next, skip 1, go to the next, and continue crocheting all the way to the end, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, so I am back. So I did a single crochet. I'm not going to do anything to the last one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 2. So this is going to be one corner, and I'm going to do a single crochet on the same chain that what I did the single crochet. So this is considered as one corner. That's the reason we did the chain 2. Okay, so I'm creating the next corner. I'm going to do a single crochet on the same chain. And you will notice that your chain is getting bigger. That is the reason I don't usually crochet on this last one, because when you do the more crocheting, it gets bigger and loosens, and I don't like that. And just to be on the safe side, it's better to have it done on the previous chain. Okay, I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to create the second the 4th. This is the 4th chain. Okay, so here it is. We did one corner, So we did with single crochet, we chained 2, we did single crochet on the same. We created the corner. We did a single crochet on the same chain, and we did 2 chain, and we did another single crochet, and we created the 4th corner. Okay, so we're done with the corners. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue crocheting, but we're going to do it on the other side. To do that, okay, I'm just going to do the single crochet. As you can see here, here's 1 chain, so I'm going to skip 1, and I'm going to make a single crochet here, just like this. Chain 1, and there's another trick. Can you see on the other side we did the single crochet here, so it's going to be matching, symmetric. So what we did here, we're doing the symmetric on the other side. So if you get lost, just look at the one on the other side and you will see. See, I'm not going to even look. I'm just going to go where I did the single crochet, because automatically I will be skipping 1. See? Just like this. This is another way for you to see. I know this part will get loose, but later on it will tighten itself, so nothing to worry about. Just like this. Chain 1. Don't forget the chains. Chain 1. Chain 1. Chain 1. Chain 1. Okay, so here I did chain 1. I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to do a single chain 2, and I'm going to do a single crochet. Okay, automatically I'm going to jump into the chain and then make a single crochet. Chain 2, make another single crochet on the same chain. Okay, so we created our corners, and we're just going to go around and around and around. That's all we're done now. We're done the corners. We created the corners. Okay, so I'm going to skip this one and then go into the chain. So I don't have to do anything else. I'm just going to go and do my single crochets. Oops, sorry. See, because I forgot to do it on the first chain here. Here, chain 1. That was so close. Chain 1. Chain 1. And I'm just doing my chain 1s on the chains that we did on the prior row. And this is all to it. So, this is how you crochet in rectangle. Okay, I'm going to be starting a slip cover for my laptop because I'm planning to travel. I'm planning to go to Turkey to buy more yarn. So I will be taping lots of videos, hopefully, if I don't know how the thing is going to go to load to my YouTube channel, but I will be taping, and I am planning to do giveaways and ship it from there. Smart, eh? For the heart where the yarn is made. Okay, so I did my single crochet, my chain, and I'm going to go right into that 2 chain, do 2 chain, and then do a single crochet, and I'm going to jump. Where is my chain? Here it is. Here's my chain. Find your chain and go jump in there. Okay. Just one moment. This is where we started, so we're going to start the increase. Okay, sorry about that. Got confused here. Okay, do my last single crochet. Okay, here You can see a single crochet here, right? So this is where we're going to chain one and do a single crochet, chain one, and then we're going to do 2 chain, single crochet, 2 chain, and then single crochet again, and then chain one, and then go in there, chain one, go into the chains that we did the chains. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe to my channel, and I will be doing giveaways from Turkey. I am planning. Hopefully my plan doesn't ruin. And this time I will be asking if you knit, if you crochet. Then I would know what to give away. Okay, so this is how it's done. I forgot to change my crochet hook, so I'm gonna go back to my bigger crochet hook because I am a tighter crocheter. It says 5.5, but I'm gonna crochet with a 6. Okay, so this is how you do the moss stitch in rectangle. I am at the end, so I crocheted that row. I'm going to do 1 chain, and I'm going to go where the 2 chains are, and I'm going to do a single crochet onto that, into that chain, and then chain 2, and then do another single crochet, chain 1, and we're starting to increase here too. Okay, to do that I'm just going to go in here, just make 1, chain 1, and then go into the 2 chain, and then single crochet, 2 chain, and then make another single crochet. So this is all to it. This is how you do. I know there's a little bit holes, but that nothing to worry about, or you can weave it, but there's no other way. You have to make those. See, we did so many here. That's how it did get. Or you can tight it. I'll show you a trick. Just loosen that last one. That's why I don't do on the last chain, because it gets very, very loose. And try to pull that. See? It closes up. A trick. Yes, and for the next tutorial I will be starting, again I will use the moss stitch, and then I will show you how to crochet the beginning, and the rest you go and you measure your laptop, then go to the next chain, chain 1. So I am planning to make a slip cover for my laptop that I have. So go round and around, and I'll meet you at the corner here to do the corner. Okay, so I'm at the corner. I'm going to do my single crochet, do my 2 chain, single crochet on the 2 chain, and chain 1. Okay, so we're increasing here. Single crochet, chain 1, skip, okay, I'm gonna go here, skip to the 2 chain, single crochet, chain 2, okay, so this is how you do in rectangle, and your blanket will become a rectangle, the moss stitch. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I just wanted to show you how it's done, and then don't forget to increase here. So on the following I will increase And I'll come back to show you how to do the increase here. Well, I'm not going to increase, I'm going to do the same, but on the following row I will show you how to do the increase. Okay, so I have crocheted another row just to give you an idea. As you can see, the hole is very big. Okay, I'm going to play around with it and try to pull this. Or what you can do is, you can weave this, and I'll show you a trick how to weave it. I'm just going to grab my tiny crochet hook here. This is a tiny one, it's a 2. Okay, and this way you don't have to worry how big it is and, you know, if you feel uncomfortable. So I'm just going to grab, this is a trick that you can weave it, and then you can weave your ends this way as well. So I am weaving my ends. Ta-da! See how it gets shrinks? So you can play around with it, weaving your end just like this.